Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my video. In this video, I will be talking about reported speech. So, reported speech, or we call indirect speech, is used to tell someone what other person said without using their exact words. Example, like you can see in the direct speech, they say, "I am tired." So, "I am tired" is the actual speech that the first person said. But when we reporting the speech, we do this way. She said that she was tired. So now you can take a look at the basic structure. The basic structure right here, reporting verb plus that plus reported clause. He said that he was busy. He told me that she liked English. So that in the bracket, it means it is optional. Here is the changes of the tense in reported speech. When we change direct speech into reported speech, we usually change the tense, the verb tense, or we call a verb shift. In direct speech, we use is, am, are, can be present simple, present continuous, some past simple, will, can, must, or may. But in reported speech, we have to change these tenses into past tense. Example, is, am, are. In direct speech, we change to verse verb in reported speech. Present simple, we change to past simple. Present continuous, we change to past continuous. Past simple, we change to past perfect. Will change to would. Can change to could. Must change to had to. May change to might. For example, I like coffee. He said that he liked coffee. So we change from the present simple, he liked coffee, to past simple, he liked coffee. I can give you another example. When the actual speech say, I am running in the garden, we can change it to she said that she was running in the garden. So you can see in this form of present continuous, we change to past continuous. Now we can take a look at the pronouns. Pronoun change depending on who is speaking. I love my job, for example, she said. So she said means a female said this sentence, I love my job. So we change it to the third person. She said that she loved her job. The time and place word that we need to change. For the time when we express, okay, the time of like now, today, yesterday, tomorrow, here, we change indirect speech to reported speech. Indirect speech we say now, indirect speech we say then. Direct speech we say today, change to that day, yesterday, change to the day before, tomorrow, change to the next day, here, change to there. For example, when you say, I will come tomorrow, so tomorrow is the time expression in the direct speech. But In the reported speech, we change from tomorrow to the next day. So it will become, he said that he would come the next day. So will change to would. This is at the previous explanation. But the main thing here is about the time. Tomorrow change to the next day. Reporting statement. In direct speech, I say, I am a teacher. But in reported speech, he said that he was a teacher. We change from present simple to the past simple. In the question, okay, reporting question, it has yes no question and WA question. In yes no question, we use if or whether, and we do not have question mark. We don't have auxiliary verb do, does, or did. So no question mark, no auxiliary verb do, does, or did. So we follow with the form of if or whether plus subject plus verb. For example, in direct speech, we say, do you like English? In reported speech, we report this question in a statement. We do not use any kind of question anymore, but we use it as statement sentence. She asked if I like English. She asked if I like English. I can give you another example. For example, when you say, did you come to school? Did you come to school last week? So in reported speech, we write it into the statement. You can say that he asked me if I, okay, past simple we change to past perfect, had come to class. So last week change to the week before. So this is the reported speech that we change. Did you come to school last week? Okay. In WA question, we keep the question words but use the statement order. Here is the form of writing the reported speech in question. The form is WA question plus subject plus. For example, the question said that, where do you example? For example, in the direct speech we say, where do you live? So in reported speech, we change from present simple to past simple. So he asked where I lived. So where is the WA question or question verb, I is the subject, and live is a verb. I can give you another example. In the right speech, the question is, what doing? So this is the sentence in the direct speech. In the reported speech, we can say, my brother asked me what I was doing. We do not use the question words. We do not use question mark because we report the question into the statement. Number 6 is reporting comments and requests. When it is a kind of comment or request, we use tell, ask plus object, and to or not to plus verb. Example, when someone say sit down, the teacher said sit down. So we can say in the reported speech, the teacher told us to sit down. Don't be late, she said. She asked me not to be late. Reporting verbs commonly use say, tell, ask, explain, promise, advise, warn. For example, you should study harder. So it is a kind of advice when you should. So the teacher advised me to study harder. When tense does not change. If the statement is always true or is still true, tense may stay the same. For example, the sun rises in the east. He said, the sun rises in the east. So we do not change because it is about the nature which is always true. So in summary, reported speech tells what someone said, or when you want to report what someone said to other people. It changes the tenses, pronouns, time, and place. And we do not use quotation marks. The question becomes statements. So that's it for today's video about reported speech. If you have any questions to ask me, you can comment or watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.